everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be talking about the types of conditional statements we have. We will be talking about its first type, that is if the statement. Now, what is if the statement? If the statement is a very simple one-line statement where you write a if, we give a condition, and if it is true, the computer executes it. If it is not true, the computer completely moves out of the block of the if and executes the next part, whatever. If it is there, if it is not there, it won't do anything at all. Now let's see how it is done.
Also, if you want to become a successful data analyst and you want to learn from our industrial experts, then you may call on the number given below, or you can also click on the link given in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started, guys.
So here we are talking about conditional statements. And inside conditional statements, we are talking about if this statement. Now, what is this if the statement? How it is written down? Let's consider an example. I am taking a variable called as marks. Let's say someone has scored 75 marks. Okay. I'll give a condition over here that if marks are greater than 80, in that condition, friends, you can buy a new phone. So only if a person is getting more marks than 80, then only he is getting a new phone, else, okay, use your old phone. So I'm gonna run this code and let's see what happens. It's not doing anything. Why? Because the marks are 75. Let's see what if the marks are 90. Let's say a student has now studied for this exam very hard and scored 90 marks. And once I run it, it gives me the output, you can buy a new phone. So it is only executing it when the given condition is that if marks are greater than 80. If it is true, then only it will execute what is there inside the body of if. If it is not true, if it is not satisfied, it won't do anything at all. If I would have written anything inside the print statement at the bottom, let's say thank you, and I have changed the marks back to 75 and I'll run the code, it only prints thank you because whatever the given condition was, it was not satisfied. So Python automatically moved out of the body of if and came back to thank you. And if it was again back to 90, so if I run it, I get the output, you can buy a new phone, thank you. Right? So this condition is only working if whatever condition we have given is satisfied. This is called as if the statement, where we only give one condition to our Python to execute. Okay. I hope if the statement is clear to you and you have no doubts and no questions. In our next session, we will be talking about if-else statement. I hope the if statement was clear to you. In our next session, we will be learning about if-else statement. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session.